Welcome to our guide on creating an avatar, a digital representation of your artistic vision. We'll explore the steps to design an avatar that reflects your creativity. The first step in creating an avatar is to conceptualize its appearance. Consider the traits and characteristics you want to embody, such as facial features, clothing, and accessories. This is your creation that aligns with your artistic vision. Next, choose the right tools and software for designing your avatar. There are various platforms available, ranging from simple online generators to advanced graphic design software, each offering different levels of customization and detail. Once you've selected your tools, start sketching your avatar's basic outline. Focus on the proportions and overall shape, ensuring it captures the essence of your intended design before adding intricate details. With the outline complete, begin adding colors and textures to bring your avatar to life. Experiment with different palettes and patterns to find the perfect combination that enhances your avatar's personality and style. Your creation represents the ideal personality you are wanting to convey. After coloring, refine your avatar by adding shadows and highlights. This step adds depth and dimension, making your avatar appear more realistic and visually appealing, enhancing its overall impact. Pay attention to the eyeshadow lines, the nose highlights, the hairline, and the lips. These all matter in bringing your avatar to life. Once satisfied with the design, save your avatar in various formats for different uses. Consider creating versions for social media, digital art projects, or even as a character in your creative storytelling. Focus on the background you are intending to place your avatar. Be aware of backgrounds that can distract the attention away from your avatar. Congratulations! Share your avatar with others and gather feedback from fellow artists. Use their insights to refine your skills and keep evolving your designs, pushing the limits of your creative expression.